Welcome back to Homemaking with Mima. My name is Wendy, and in today's video, I'm going to get this chest freezer defrosted. So I'm just gonna try to get as much in this chest freezer and my upright freezer. And so that's what I'm doing right now, and then I'm gonna shut it off. I'm gonna shut it off right now. There isn't much. I'll bring you in and let you see what it looks like, but there isn't much. It's just up above here. So getting that melted, and it's just gonna give me a good feeling to get this done, and then I can do the other one. And I'm sure it's, you might see my feet kind of flare up a little bit. So this is the status of it. It's not bad, but why not get it done? I'm going to get it done today. So I got what I could get in here, and I'll bring you to the upright freezer and I'll show you that I got everything in there as well. All right, in the upright, I was able to get that box on this shelf, so I just moved that container down there, and I got everything in freezers, so I don't have to worry about using a cooler today. So that makes me feel good. So now I'll just leave this open. It's off, and I am gonna get a heater and set up in here on the table here, and that'll help melt this a little bit quicker, so I don't have to have this be an all-day project. So this is how I have the heater set up, and it doesn't generate a lot of hot heat, but it is gonna help me along, so I don't have to wait for it to melt on its own. And I'm just gonna come down here and check on it periodically. All right, I shut the heater off so that you could hear me. It's melting pretty good. I mean, not as fast as I want it to, because I just want to get this done. But you know what? I'm okay with it. I can get some other things done upstairs. Once it gets completely melted, I'll get it all cleaned out, wash it up real good, turn it back on, and get everything back in there. I believe it's melted enough. I'm going to get the ice chunks out of there, the pools of water, get it cleaned up, and then I'm going to be ready to turn it back on. Going to use some of this Fabuloso, just a little bit. Wiped out nice and clean. I'm going to turn this fan on. I'm going to have it on for probably about 10 minutes so it can dry that, so I don't get an ice sheeting from when I turn it back on. And then I'll get the stuff back in there. I'm going to start getting everything back in there now. There we are. Everything is back in there, and then I'm all done for today. I'm going to clean the other chest freezer tomorrow. I'm not going to bring you along for that, but just letting you know that one down, one to go. This is the one I'm doing tomorrow. I have a lot more in here to find room for, but I'm pretty sure I can get it in between this chest freezer and the upright freezer. I can get it all into a freezer. I want to thank you so much for joining me today during my venture of getting the one chest freezer cleaned out. Tomorrow is that one. Thank you so much again for joining me. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell if you are subscribed so that you can be prompted to new videos coming out. And I want you folks to make it a really great day.